Guys, I think there's another storm coming. Look at this. It might not look as bad as it does on camera, but it looks horrible. Like, I'm from the Midwest and there's no wind. It was so windy before, but now there's literally no wind. The birds are flying away from the storm, and it's been humid all week. So I really think something's coming for us. They said there's a 10% chance of a tornado. So I record if there's a tornado. If there isn't a tornado, then you're not seeing a tornado video getting posted. If there is one, I might. So, yeah, I might just stand out here for a little bit because my mom went on a walk. And she said that she was going to go to the gas station. So, I don't know, but the birds are literally flying away. Does that mean anything? Can y'all comment down below if that means anything? So if y'all can get this video up to 1,000 views, I'll do another one with those videos. What happens in the summer video, whatever thing. Bye. Subscribe.